Hi all, today we're going to revise linear interpolation. So, what is linear interpolation? It is a method used to find the quartiles of a dataset, and this is the equation that can be used to find it. The easiest way to understand linear interpolation is to work through a question step by step, so that is what we'll do today. We'll be answering this specific question, which can be found in the applied textbook on page 27. You'll find it under section 2C, and it is question 4. So, the weight of 31 Jersey cows were recorded to the nearest kilogram. The weights are shown in the table. We'll only be answering question A today, so find an estimate for the median weight. The first thing to do would be to review the table. As you can see, there are groups between each group, so we'll have to add 0.5 to the ends of both groups. All groups, yes. We'll also add another row for the cumulative frequency. The new table can be seen below. Since we are calculating the median, the first thing we want to do is find the percentile value. So we know there are 31 Jersey cows, so we divide 31 by 2 to get 15.5. Now we know we want the 15.5th value. A common mistake here would be to round it up to 16, but we only round up if it's the first or third quartile. If we look at a cumulative frequency row, we'll see that 15 falls under the third numerical column, under the group 399.5 to 449.5. We know this because the cumulative frequency goes from 9 to 19 in this group. Here is the formula and the table again. Now that we know where the 15.5th value lies, we also know what numbers we're interested in. So this includes the lower interval value, 399.5, the upper interval value, 449.5, the percentile value, 15.5, the lower cumulative frequency, 9, and the upper cumulative frequency, 19. Now we can insert these numbers into the formula above. In this instance, we are searching for Q2, otherwise known as the median. So, we have inserted the numbers in so that it is Q minus 399.5 over 449.5 minus 399.5, and it's equal to 15.5 minus 9 over 19 minus 9. Now we can simplify and solve for Q. There we go. So, once we simplify, we'll get Q minus 399.5 over 50, and that is equal to 6.5 over 10. Then we can multiply both sides by 50, and we get Q minus 399.5 is equal to 32.5. After, we add 399.5 to both sides, and we get Q is equal to 432. Remember your units. In this case, Q is equal to 432 kilograms. Here's the question and the table and our working. So, the original question asked us to find an estimate for the median weight. In this case, the answer is 432 kilograms. Always make sure your answer falls into the same group as the median's group. So in this case, 432 kg does land in 399.5 to 449.5. Now, have a go at finding the lower quartile and upper quartile. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe below. Bye!